Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 62 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the importance of forgiveness. So let's start. So forgiveness, it is one of the important and one of the greatest quality a person could have. Forgiveness help us to control our anger, hostility, resentment, and help us to move forward in life without seeking revenge from someone. Forgiveness is that thing which provide us inner peace. We as a human always make mistake. We hurt someone unknowingly, or we get some hurt by someone. But we should understand the art of forgiveness. We should forgive someone if they are really sorry. I am not saying you that you have to forgive everyone who is not sorry to you. You have to forgive someone who is really sorry and who wants some improvement from your side. And if someone is in ego, or if someone does not want to be sorry, then you should not make expectation from that. Forgiveness is like a heavy bag. So imagine you are carrying a heavy bag with lot of load. Will you able to move forward for a long time? No, you will not able to move forward. So same as forgiveness. Same as anger, hostility. When you are carrying a lot of anger, when you are carrying a lot of hostility, you will not able to move forward in life. Your mental peace will not be, you will not be able to move forward, as well as your mental peace will not be in a good position. So there's a famous quote also regarding forgiveness, that forgiveness is that fragrance which flowers leaves on the hand that crushes it. So we should take example from the flower only. We used to crush that flower, still it releases fragrance on our hand. Actually, I was reading some thought in my on internet, and this thought came. So today I thought that I should make video on forgiveness. So forgiveness is that thing which stop anger, hostility, resentment, and allows you to not to take revenge from someone who have hurt you. Forgiveness provides us inner peace, inner strength. I am saying that you should forgive someone who has really sorry to you, who feels really sorry for his or her mistake. I am not saying to say sorry to forgive someone who is in ego and who is not realizing its mistake. So we should understand that, and we should take example from flower as I explained. And we should always think of positive, because life is unpredictable and we don't know what will happen next. So we should not take guilt in our heart. We should always take positive things in our heart. We should not take anger to control our heart. We should always think how to stop anger, how to stop hostility, and how to be happy in life. That should be our motto, and we should forgive others who are really sorry, who are really thinking that they have done mistake. Because life is really great, life is really good, and if we take everything on our mind that yes, they have done wrong with me, so wrong will happen to them, that's not good. Not only others, I'm not talking about only others, we should forgive ourselves also. If we have committed mistake and we think that we have done some sin, we should forgive ourselves also. That's the motto of life. Forgive others as well as forgive yourself. In fact, love yourself. If you will love yourself, everyone will love you. If you will hate yourself, everyone will hate you. So that's all for today's video. I will conclude that always move forward in life with happiness, peace and strength, not with anger, hostility. Be positive, be happy, and be loved by everyone. So that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share. That's all. Bye.